Hey everyone, this is Mold Merchant. Now, I hope all of you are doing well because of the coronavirus and the quarantines. I hope all of you are staying safe and staying healthy, and I want to help you guys out by posting more videos and showing you how to make money that you can do from home using maybe your laptop or your iPhone or Android phone. So first off, I want to show you guys this video, this application called Zogo. And with this app, you can make money by learning about personal finances. So what it does is it basically will give you a quiz, and you complete the quiz once you answer questions that you learn. And then when you answer them correctly, then you're able to earn points. And with these points, you can then redeem them for gift cards and for money. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mold Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the app, as I said before, is called Zogo, and you can see it here in the top left corner of my screen. So now let us go into it, and we can start exploring how you can make money using this application. So when you first open it, you're going to be brought into this tutorial screen, and what it says is, how does Zogo work? So it says here that the first step is to select a reward where you pick your favorite gift card and you can redeem them with pineapples, which is basically like the sort of currency that you earn by answering questions about your own finances, or how to manage your own finances. And step 2, as it says here, is to earn pineapples. When you learn about financial topics, the more you learn, then you're going to earn some more money. So they partner also with actually banks and other financial institutions to be able to support this. So they definitely have some good social backing. They're very respected, and they are also trustworthy. So now you can see here that I need to pick my $5 reward, which is used to redeem after you earn these pineapples. So you can see they have a variety of different rewards, and you can also change it later, so you're not going to be stuck with whatever you choose right now. But you can see they have Amazon, they have Walmart, Target, iTunes, Starbucks, and even Nike. So if you want to get shoes or some sort of athletic wear, you can get that. But as you guys know, I'm a very big fan of Amazon because they deliver directly to you, and if you have Prime, you get the 2-day shipping. So I always use Amazon. But if you want to go to like Walmart or Target, which are other common stores that you can buy from, then you can do that too. But as I said, I'm going to choose Amazon. And the next step is to verify my phone number, which is what's going to be used to allow me to log in. So let me do this real quick, and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so now I've put in my phone number, and it's been verified. So now I'm going to finish making my profile by putting in some different information, like my email, my name, and all that kind of stuff. And now the next step is to put in this institution code, but if you don't have one, you don't need to do it. I don't have one, so I'm just going to skip that. And before I go show you guys how to make money using the questions, another big way to earn, as you can see right here, is by doing referrals, and you earn 750 pineapples per referral. And in fact, someone has referred 800 people, and that's been the equivalent of 600,000 pineapples, which is a lot of money because, as you saw, it's 5,000 pineapples for, I believe, a $5 Amazon gift card. So if you have 600,000, then that's 120 of those, which is, what, $600? That's a lot of money. So, and also whoever you refer will also earn pineapples when they sign up. So it's a win-win for both of you because you both earn when you use a referral code. So I'll be putting mine below. Feel free to comment yours down below as well, and we can all earn some more pineapples just by referring each other. So now when you first go in here, you can see that they do have daily objectives, which end at 2:59 p.m. every single day. And you can see right now that there are bonus rewards, which are 35 pineapples. And if you do any of these activities that they listed on the screen, so let's go do that. So now you can see here, you have to share your story. So if you want to do that, you have to do it by emailing that link right there. And you can see this is his story. Let's just go through that real quick. You can see they're going to tell you more about the story, and then at the end of that story, you're going to be given a quiz. And with this quiz is where you can earn your pineapples. But you have to be aware that if you get questions wrong, then I believe you lose like some sort of heart. And if you lose these hearts, then if you lose 5 of them, then you have to wait until they regenerate before you can continue answering. So make sure that you understand how to answer the questions, because you're going to be penalized for getting it wrong. So now let's start. So you can see how many credit cards did Connor open when he turned 18. I'm going to say 3. Okay, it was 5. Well, looks like I got it wrong. So you can see that I lost one of the hearts. So in the top right corner of my screen, you can see that I have 4 hearts remaining when I started with 5 because I got it wrong. And also you can see I have 700 pineapples at the moment. So now let's continue with this, and let's try to not get a question wrong this time. So I'm going to try to read this a bit more closely. And you can see it's actually pretty relevant because they are talking about the coronavirus pandemic in this story. So they are making it more modern and more up to date than you'd expect, because this is pretty recent, only like a month, 2 months old. So yeah. Now let's go through the story like we did with the other one, and let's hope that we don't get anything wrong. I'm trying to quickly skim read them so that I have an idea of what they're trying to say. It's kind of hard though to talk and read at the same time, but we'll see how we do. Alright, so we're done with that, and oh, this is a survey, so I mean there's no way you can get this wrong because it's literally just asking you what your favorite movie is that you'd like to see. So I mean, I'd like A Quiet Place. I don't know if you guys did, so I'm just going to answer that. And now you can see here that there's no wrong answer. It doesn't matter what you pick because obviously that's a personal opinion kind of thing. Let's try to finish up all of these stories and see how we do after that. So let's go again. Once again, you can see that this is very, very modern. PPE, that's very straightforward, and that is personal protective equipment. I use that a lot in my own lab, so yeah, this is not hard at all. And finally, there is a bubble game. So now let's see how you play this game. You can see it's not only questions. You can also play games. And there's 2 options. You have to claim your points or expand the bubble. If you claim, you earn the pineapples you've already earned, or if you inflate, then the bubble can continue to grow, or it'll pop. If it pops, then you earn no pineapples, but if it grows, then you have another chance ahead of you. So let's try it. I don't know how you exactly do this. Oh, right here. Press that button. Oh, look at that. So now we keep on getting pineapples by doing this. And you can see that as we inflate it, then our risk estimate increases, and I'm guessing oh no, it popped. So yeah, once it starts getting to like the yellow and the red zones, then your chances of it popping significantly increase. So you want to get out earlier before it pops. Otherwise, you lose all of your pineapples. So now we ended our daily objectives, and now we get 35 pineapples just for completing all 4 of those objectives. So now you can see here that we are on the main screen, and you can see that they have all of these different stories and lessons that you can go through that will allow you to earn pineapples, and they have a lot. There's literally like I scrolled for, I don't even know, a solid like 10 seconds right there. So you can see that they're very similar to what I just did in the daily objectives, but there's just a lot more of them. And that's basically the main way that you earn your pineapples, and that's what you can use to then cash out to earn your gift cards. And you can see they have leaderboards here. This is the Zogo one, and you can see this guy, incredible. Matthew M has 500,000 pineapples. That's insane. That's a lot of money. And you can see here once again, this is the reward screen, and as before, you're gonna earn $5 in Amazon if you get 5,000 pineapples, and as you can see, we are 16% of the way there. So, as before, you can also change your gift cards, and they actually have a wider selection on this screen than it did in the previous screen. So they have like Barnes & Noble, Nike, Best Buy, CVS, Domino's, eBay, GameStop, Target, and a couple more. So yeah, you can see this is a wide selection, and it's very easy to do. You just have to, like I said, you just have to answer the questions, and there you go. So let's do this one real quick and see how we do. Oh, I accidentally pressed the wrong button there, but okay. So there you go. That's Zogo, and it's a very easy to use app, and it's incredible because you're making money by learning. So that's nice. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.